Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need Node.js LTS and Visual Studio Code. Once Node is installed, run Node v and npm v to verify. Then install VS Code extensions for Node.js and debugging so you have runtime integration. Open your project folder in VS Code and create package. JSON with npm init so npm scripts and dependencies are manageable. Make sure your terminal in VS Code uses the same Node version. This avoids path mismatches that break later steps. Next, you build and configure the app. Create an entry file named index.js and add a minimal example like console, log, hello, or a small express server so you can test runtime behavior. Once done, add scripts to package. JSON such as start, node index, JS and dev, nodeman index, JS to speed development. Then open the run and debug panel to generate launch. JSON. Configure the node launch profile so you can set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code directly from VS Code. Finally, you run and validate everything. Use npm start or npm run dev in the integrated terminal and confirm the console output and listening port. Once running, attach the VS Code debugger to inspect variables and step through code. Make sure source maps or transpilation are configured if you use TypeScript. If something breaks, first check node versions and path, then remove node modules and package lock. JSON and run npm install to reinstall. That single reinstall resolves most dependency or corrupted module issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.